At ExCeL London, we are passionate about delivering memorable, successful and inspiring events. That's why we continue to invest. Our vision is to create an experience that's unrivaled, enabling you to deliver a world-class event in one of the best cities on the planet. Very soon, your visitors, exhibitors and delegates will be able to arrive at ExCeL via the new Elizabeth line. Set to transform travel across London, the Elizabeth line will make it easier and quicker to get to events at ExCeL. The digital transformation of ExCeL started with the new Custom House walkway, which is where your journey begins. We're now ready to reveal the next stage of this transformation, with the addition of new state-of-the-art infrastructure throughout the entire venue, from west to east. We'll also be refurbishing the West Podium, adding new plants and green spaces where your guests can relax. Key to the digital journey is the transformation of ExCeL's west entrance with a stunning external archway, complemented by a striking internal screen designed to welcome your guests. As you continue down the boulevard, our new screens clearly signpost what's on in the venue, creating an enhanced experience and clearer directional signage. Everything has been purposefully designed to provide a consistent customer journey and an enhanced experience for your visitors. Our new digital infrastructure also provides dynamic new advertising opportunities. Digital content, including video and QR codes, can be seamlessly blended with print advertising to create high-impact opportunities. Advertisers can create a consistent, high-end look and feel with plenty of opportunity to promote key messages in high-traffic areas throughout the venue. The east entrance to the venue is brought to life with internal and external portrait digital screens. These are complemented with a large screen above the venue entrance, designed to welcome your guests. We cannot wait to welcome you back and look forward to taking you on our new digital journey.